If you're using Google Chrome, you would see this annoying bookmarks bar, which basically is kind of distracting and it takes a bit of space. So if you'll get rid of that, first of all, you would have the cleaner version of your browser, as well as you will have some more viewable area. So the way to get rid of that is to go to view and click on always show bookmarks bar, and if you'll click on it, that bar will disappear and you will have some more viewable area. So that is great, and the shortcut is command shift B or control shift B if you're using Windows machine. So just click on it and yeah, get rid of that bookmarks bar. It's super annoying.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.